Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran easily and properly, then subscribe to this channel, and inshallah in a very short time you will be able to read Quran properly. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture is about Tanween and short letters. In this lecture, we will learn that how letters are read with signs, and these letters then how makes a word. So, and how these words then makes a sentence. All we will read in this lesson. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حمزة فتحة با فتحة با أبا دال دبل فتحة دن abadan abadan at stop point abada abada. So we first read the hamza with its sign, which is fatha. It becomes ah. Then we read ba with fatha. It becomes ba. So then we connect a with the ba. It becomes aba. Then we read dal fatha dan, dal fatha dan, a nasal sound. In Tanween, the sound will comes from nose, dan. So it becomes abadan, abadan. If you stop at the end of a verse and this word comes, so then you will read it as abada, abada. Let's repeat it. Hamza patha a, ba patha ba, aba. Dal double patha dan, abadan, abadan. At stop. Abada, abada. Hamza patha a, ha patha ha, aha. Dal double damma dun, ahadun, ahadun, ahadun. Next is hamza patha a, ha patha ha, aha. Dal double patha, hamza patha a, ha patha ha, aha. Dal double damma dun, ahadun, ahadun. At stop. Ahad. Hamza patha a, ha patha ha, aha. Zal patha za, ahaza, ahaza, ahaza. At stop. Ahaz, ahaz. Next is hamza patha a, zal kasa zi, azi. Noon patha na, azina, azina, azina. At stop. Azin. Next is hamza patha a, mim patha ma, ama. Ro patha ro, amaro, amaro. At stop. Amar, amar. Next is Hamza Patha A, Noon Patha Na, Ana, Ana. At stop, Ana. The alif will not be read. Next is Ba Patha Ba, Kha Kasra Khi, Bakhi. Lam Patha La, Bakhila, Bakhila. At stop, Bakhil, Bakhil. Next is 4 letters in this word. Ba Patha Ba, Ro Pathoro, Baro, Ro Pathoro, Bararo. Ta double kasratin, bararatin, bararatin, bararatin. At stop, barara, barara. This ta will double kasra. At stop point, at pause, it will be converted to ha, ha. So we will read at stop point or at the end of ayah, at the end of a verse, barara, barara. Next is Jim pathaja, Ain patha ja'a, Lam pathala, ja'ala, ja'ala. At stop, ja'al, ja'al. Next is Jim pathaja, Mim pathama, jama. Ain fatha'a, jama'a, jama'a. At stop, jama, jama, jama. Ha pathaha, Sin pathasa, hasa. Dal pathada, hasada, hasada. At stop, hasad. Ha pathaha, Shin pathasha, hasha. Ro pathoro, hasharo, hasharo. At stop, hashar. Ha pathaha, Shin kasrashi, khashi. Ya pathaya, khashiya, khashiya. At stop, khashi. If you are reading the verses and this becomes in the middle or in the first of ayah and you are reading continuously, then it will be read as khashiya. And if it comes at the end or you are taking stop, then it will be read as khashi, khashi, khashi. Next is ha patha ha, lam patha la, khala, qa patha qa, khalaqa, khalaqa, khalaqa. It stop, khalaq, khalaq. Ha damma khu, lam kasra li, khuli, qa patha qa, khuliqa, khuliqa, khuliqa. It stop, khuliq, khuliq. So alhamdulillah, we have read and we have learned about the Tanween and shorts vowels, how the words are made from letters, and how these words are then read in a sentence. So it is very important lesson, and try and repeat it again and again, and also subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next part of this lesson because I want to repeat it to you again and again. If you read and learn the Qaida lessons properly, then the Holy Quran will be easy for you. Thank you. We will meet in next class. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.